Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing my November BOXYCHARM unboxing and try on like per usual, you know. I didn't do an October unboxing mainly because October was crazy for me and I just literally didn't have time. Month's theme is Gold Digger and we're just gonna go ahead and get into it. The first thing I'm gonna be talking about are these Luxie brushes. It is the Luminous Eye Set and they retail for $21. They're so pretty. They're like glittery and gold. So in the set you get the mini angled brush, the mini flat angled, mini tapered, and mini round brush. So these all say mini on it. I wouldn't say they're like travel size because they're like full size. I think the brushes are just like smaller brushes, which I like. I don't have too many like really small detail brushes, so these will actually come in handy, and the packaging or the actual brush are really cute. So we will be using those today. So I'm putting that in my little brush holder thing right here because I'm going to be using them. So the next thing in the box is something I'm very excited for because I have talked about this brand so much because I love this brand so much. This is the Ace Beauty Grandiose palette, and you guys look at the inside of this. This is so beautiful. Ace Beauty has some of my favorite eyeshadows. You guys know I love their palettes. I've done a tutorial with my favorite palette from them, the Blossom palette. I will leave that somewhere in the little eye thing. So I was super happy to see them in this month's box. So BOXYCHARM actually sent me the palette early, so I obviously got my box, so I have an extra one, so stay tuned till the end because I may or may not be giving this little baby away. So we're just gonna go ahead and get into it. I'm gonna do an eye look with this. Brushes are stained, so let's ignore that. I'm starting off with the shade Clove, which is this like really pretty peachy shadow. And my eyes are already primed and set, by the way. So I am just, oh, by the way, this palette retails for $24.99. And there are 8 shadows. So I am just packing that on and blending that into the crease. I love their eyeshadows. They're so pigmented, they blend out seamlessly, and they're just amazing. And I stan Ace Beauty, like truly. If you guys don't have any of their palettes, you definitely need them. I highly recommend the Blossom palette and the Classical Paradise palette. I have them all right here. I love them, and I was super excited to see them in the box this month. I'm gonna take a smaller brush, not too small though. What brush am I gonna use? I'm gonna use this one. I'm going into the shade Poppy, which is this beautiful red burgundy shade. I'm starting off really lightly with this because I want to build this color up. So I'm barely taking any, just so I can kind of blend that into where we put Poppy down. Look, I literally barely took anything. And even then, I'm already getting like such pretty pigment. Taking Clove and just blending that Poppy shade out. Do you see the seamlessness? I live. So I'm just going to keep building that shade up. I built that up to the intensity that I want it to be. I am going to kind of deepen that shade up a little bit. I am taking the mini tapered brush from the eye set. And I'm just going to go ahead and take that same Poppy shade and I'm just going to deepen up this red. I'm just taking the brush that I used Clove with to blend everything out, and then I'm going back again with Poppy. Moving on to the lid, I'm going to take the shade Rose, which is this beautiful pink shade. And I think this is kind of like a satin. It doesn't, I don't know, it doesn't look too shimmery, but it also doesn't look matte. So I am going to take a little bit of with Fix Plus to just see how that goes. Oh wow, okay. Okay, it's definitely like it's not super metallic, but it's definitely a shimmer. So I'm just going to put that all over the lid. Oh wow, that's so pretty. I was not expecting it to look like that. There we, oh my god, this is such a pretty eyeshadow. Wow, that's really, really pretty. Do this eye really quick, and I'm gonna finish up the rest of my face, and I'll come back to do the lower lash line because there's not really much else in this box for like makeup wise, so except for like one more product, but yeah, I'll be right back. Right, so I'm back with the rest of my face done for the most part. I'm actually gonna put on some eyeliner in my waterline. This is Love Drug from Urban Decay. I'm actually taking the little mini round brush from that little set. Is that what it's called? Yes, mini round. I'm going back with Poppy, and I'm gonna put that closest to the lash line, almost meeting up to where we put that eyeliner, and that actually matches perfect to that eyeliner too. It's like almost the same color. Going in with, I'm actually taking the big Time 04 brush that I use to like smoke out my lower lash line. I'm taking that with Clove, and I'm gonna take a little bit of Rose, the one that we put all over my lid, because that's like a shimmery. I don't really want that like everywhere. So I'm just kind of like blending that Poppy shade out. By the way, there's a shade in here called Myrtle, and I'm like, RIP Myrtle Snow. She's my favorite. Just to take Poppy on the big brush. Screw it. So there's these Cover FX drops in here, which I'm like kind of scared to use. They're called glitter drops. There's a lot of glitter in here. I personally don't really like glitter for highlight. Also, this looks a little dark. Hold on, let me, yeah. This is really pretty. I don't want to put that on my face. Like I do, it's just really glittery, and I'm like, I don't know how I feel about that on my, like, for highlight. I feel like this would be really pretty on the body. It's actually not that dark. I thought it was going to be darker. It actually kind of just blends out to be like a sheer glitter. There's really pretty glitter in it though. There's like blue and purple flecks of glitter. I'm gonna... No, I don't like it. I just personally don't like really glittery highlights. I don't mind some glitter, but this is like straight up just glitter. You know what? Let's put it on my inner corner. Well, really, I want to use it. I just don't want to put it all over my face. You know who would probably like this? Ashley. She loves glittery highlights. I personally don't. But that's like personal preference, you know? I'm going to put this on my inner corner. Ooh, see, that's a really pretty inner corner highlight. But this is totally not in the BOXYCHARM this month, but I just got this package from Time Los Angeles. I literally just got it in the mail right now, and I kind of want to use it on camera, so I'm going to use it in this video. This is not in the BOXYCHARM, but definitely go support Time Los Angeles. This is my friend Ashley. That's her. This is her brand, and she just came out with a highlighter palette. It's called Highlight Heaven, and I just want to use it on camera, so we're going to today. Because there's not really anything else. There's one more product in the box. Heavenly, Bliss, Eternal, and Goddess. I'm going to take Bliss and see how that looks first. Ooh, I kind of want to mix Bliss and Heavenly. I knew Ashley wouldn't disappoint. I knew it. I knew it. This is everything. Wow, I'm so happy for you, Ashley. I'm so excited for you. If you guys don't know, she has like one of my favorite liquid lipsticks and my favorite lashes too. She sells lashes and lipsticks and also like makeup related clothing. So I will, by the time I upload this video, I believe this will already have launched, so I will link that down below. I do have a discount code as well. I'm not sure if it's gonna work on this. I'm pretty sure it does, but I will leave that down below for you guys. This is literally so pretty. I could die. We stand forever. I'm so excited for you, Ashley. Congrats. So I just wanted to use that on camera. So I'm gonna actually put on some mascara and lipstick and kind of finish up this look because all we have left is this makeup brush cleanser. So I don't know if this is like a spot cleaner or something, but I'll read that while I do the rest of my makeup. Just finish up the rest of my makeup. I just put some mascara on and some lipstick. This is the Fenty Uncuffed. Stunna Lip. I forgot to mention these Cover FX drops. By the way, it's the shade Nova. They are $44. Oh, I totally forgot this product. I'm actually really excited for this product. It's such a random thing, but these are the Farrah Galaxy Gold Tweezers. These retail for $12 though, and these are so cool because they're like dual ended, so like one is a slanted tip and the other one's more of a pointed tip. And I just really like tweezers. I have like this weird obsession with tweezers. I don't know why, but I really like tweezers, so I'm really excited for that. Last but not least, we have this Bodyography makeup brush cleanser. It says cleansing and disinfecting your brushes has never been easier, made from natural orange peel and gentle cleansers. This cleansing spray easily disinfects and conditions your brushes. So I don't know if this is like a spot cleaning kind of brush cleaner, like the ones that I use at least. So I'm gonna try it on a brush and see. I still have some brushes that are stained from my sister James tutorials, so we're gonna see. It says spray directly on a brush hair and gently wipe on a paper towel. Use sparingly so as not to... Okay, I think it is like a spot cleaner. I think you can use it for a deeper clean, but you can use it as a spot cleaner too. So I have a towel right here in front of me. Okay, that's literally squirted on it. So I just took some of that. Okay, it kind of took the shadow off. Brush cleaner that I use from Cinema Secrets, it dries like instantly. So I just sprayed it again. Oh yeah, I took off a lot more of the product. It still is a little damp though. So like you can't instantly use it on your eye. Like when I use my Cinema Secret ones, I can like clean it and then like wait like maybe like 10 seconds and then go in and it'll be fine. But it seems like this one is still, not really. I feel like you'll be fine if you use it on your eye. It just doesn't dry as fast as I would like it, especially because I have clients. I need my brushes to like dry in between clients like fast. So, but you know what? It seems pretty dry now that I've kind of just been doing this. It did take off most of the color. I don't think there's any product left on the brush. I think it's just stained. Yeah, that's pretty much everything in this month's box. Let me add everything up. That brush cleaner was $12. I don't remember if I said that, but anyways, so the total value for this month's box was $113. That is, it always blows my mind. I never understand how like they do it. I think that this month's box was a great box. I love Ace Beauty and I'm so happy to see them in this month's box. That was really good. If you don't mind like the glitteriness of the Cover FX drops, I think that's a really good product to get in the box too. The Luxie eye brushes were really nice. The tweezers, I love the tweezers. I'm here for the tweezers. And the brush cleaner is nice to have. I always like to have backup brush cleaners because I run out of my brush cleaner so often. This is my giant Cinema Secrets one and I go through this like every month. I run out sometimes and I have clients or something, so I like to have backup of brush cleaners and it's just necessary. So I will definitely be keeping that because I have had those times where I have a wedding at like 4 in the morning and I'm like, I don't have any brush cleaner. Nothing's open at 4 in the morning. So it's nice to have that. So I really appreciate that. I will definitely use that. Overall, I really like this month's box. If you guys don't know what BOXYCHARM is, by the way, it is a monthly subscription box. It's $21 a month and you always get 4 to 5 full-size products in the box as well. It's my favorite subscription box. I've been getting it for years and I've only been disappointed a couple times. So I will leave a link down below if you guys want to sign up for BOXYCHARM yourself. It is an affiliate link, so I do get a tiny commission from it. If you guys don't feel comfortable using the link, you could just go to BOXYCHARM.com and sign up for it for yourself through their website. But if you do use my link, then I really appreciate it. Thank you so much. Thank you for allowing me to pay my bills because your girl needs it. Go check out the new Time Los Angeles highlighting palette. I'm so proud of her for creating this. I just am so excited for her and I know she's super excited about it too. So definitely go check it out. Do you guys see my highlight? It's poppin'. Literally, it looks so good. I'm obsessed. I forgot about the giveaway. I will be giving away the palette that I used today. It's still in the bubble wrap. It hasn't been touched or anything, so I will keep it in that for you. If you guys want to win the palette, the Ace Beauty palette that I used today.
Hi, hello. So when I filmed this video, I literally didn't make any sense, so I just put the rules on the screen for you so it's easier to understand. I'm just dumb, okay? But I will leave the rules in the description box for you as well, just in case you miss it here or whatever. But yeah, that's all I have to do, so good luck.
When I upload this, it'll be Monday, so let's just have it go till Thursday, and I will pick a winner on Friday. So I probably will throw in some extra makeup in there for you because I have so much of it. I just want to give back to you guys. So if you guys aren't following me on Instagram already, you should, because December is gonna be a very fun month. I may or may not be doing something exciting for you guys, so definitely make sure you're following me on Instagram so you can see what I will be doing. And yeah, anyways, I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, make sure to give it a big thumbs up, subscribe if you're not subscribed already, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.